Hey folks, Daryl from the Dad Channel here. Hope you're having a great afternoon. I just have a quick little mod video for my smoker, Char Grill. Chain 800, 900 degrees when the wood was burning in there. So we definitely want to take care of that before it starts rusting and stuff. You know, when you buy a cheaper smoker, this is kind of the thing you can get. Char Grill, I was really happy with the way it smoked and everything. The meat came out great, and I'll be posting a video soon about that. But this here, we're gonna have to do something here about that. So what I did is I got some 100 grit sandpaper, and I'm gonna go ahead and sand that stuff, scrape off loose paint. Then I got this this Rust-Oleum high heat ultra paint for barbecues and stuff. I saw in another YouTube video that you're not supposed to use the engine heat paint because there's different processes of heating process and stuff. So this is just a paint that kind of protects. Let's see here. Extra rich color, semi-gloss sheen, resists heat up to 1200 degrees, and it stops rust by Rust-Oleum. So we'll see how this does on it. Got this at Home Depot. It was about $6 for the can. So we'll go ahead and shake it up, put it on there, and see what happens. You just kind of rough up get the main stuff off, and you take the sandpaper here and kind of just sand the stuff. You want to kind of scratch the layer a little bit so that the spray paint will stick. Get all around here. Where the paint is kind of sticking there, you want to kind of sand that area and rough it up real good. Just like that. You want to get all the loose paint off. Grooves all around. This also takes the rust off the paint. I didn't think that this would happen this bad, but it can happen, that's for sure. I guess this could happen with any smoker though. That firebox, it gets super hot, so definitely just want to maintain this and keep it as nice as you can. That should be pretty good. We'll just wipe everything down with a clean rag here. Not be too clean with this because it's just going to get messy again for the next smoke. We definitely want to get all this the dust and stuff off so it doesn't stick with the new paint. Okay, so I'm shaking up the can here. A little hard to do without my cameraman here, but we'll do the best that we can. So I'm going to kind of offshoot this somewhere here. Do it over here in the dirt. Just to get that first initial spray going. I'm going to kind of aim away from the barbecue because I don't want to get that heat tape right there. I'm just going to kind of go up and down like that. And there you have it, folks. It's nicer than having rust. So I went ahead and sprayed the second coat on. It's drying in the sun here. kind of a cloudy day. It's going to rain tonight, so we want to make sure we get this dry and cover it up. And go ahead and open the lid now and hit that little lip area just around the top and the sides. Let that dry. And we'll test this out during the next smoke and see how that does. Folks, if you guys have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer your question. Or maybe someone that's had this same, charcoal griller is had some other experience or something that may help us out for our channel as well. I'd be happy to hear what you have to say. If you like what you're watching, you can hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and got the bell thing at the top there that will remind you when we have more videos coming up. Have many more videos coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy what you're watching. We're just here to help all the dads and all the guys out and bring what we have to the table. All right, thanks a lot and have a great afternoon. We're checking out.